I'm gonna call you right back.
Me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just myself to keep.
Hey guys, it's your girl Dolphins Diamond. I am back with another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we lit over here, period. But it is 9:41 a.m. I've been up since 5 a.m. I made me and Babe breakfast. So now I'm about to get my day started. And I am in my office right now. I have 2 packages to open up. I'm only going to open up one right now because I have a package to ship off. And then the other package is more inventory. So we're not going to open up the inventory right now. Probably going to do that in the next clip. But right now, the package that I got from off of Amazon is some more label, label slips for my printer. That's what we about to open up. Let me see if this plugged up. It's not plugged up. Okay. So we about to plug this up. I still don't know how to work this. Like, I'm going to try today. And if I don't, I'm going to try one time with one paper. Because that's the reason why I have to buy new paper now. Because I was trying to print out a label for a customer. And I used all the paper trying to print that paper out. Like, that's dumb stuff. Wasting money. Wasting printing paper. And wasting trees. Let me see. Okay, so it's on. So, yeah, we're about to open up this package. First, I'm about to see what outfit she got. This customer is from Chicago. Thank you for shopping with me, girl. So she got a burgundy berry set in a size large. So you already know my outfits is right there. So we about to go over there and grab us a fit. And she got a large. So this is what it look like. And I'm going to put a picture right here of what it look like on the customer. I'm going to put this next to me right here. And I'm going to get her paper ready. Not her paper, but her polymer ready too. Now, we about to open up a package from Amazon. I feel like I opened up a package in every video. Let me see. I really hope that this mic is working. I'm going to be so mad if it's not. I don't want to break it down. And I think I ordered 1,000 of these this time. Because last time it came with like 20 of them in the box. But now I bought my own. This is what it is. Put it right here. So this one comes with 500 in it. And then this one comes with 500 in it too. We're manifesting 1,000 orders, obviously. So I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna try this one time by ourselves. And if it don't work, I am calling my fiance. Facts. I don't play around. Oh, this is cute. It comes with a little sliding thing. So you open it like this. That's how you open it. that. Let's see if I can show y'all. Okay, there we go. So it's open. Now we're about to put, I'm gonna put some of these in here. I'm not gonna put all of them in here. So let me see. Put it in. I don't know if you put it in this way. I'm gonna see if I can put it in this way right here. Let me get up. Move this out y'all way so y'all can see. So I think I'm gonna put it in this way like this. I think, or do I put it in this way like that? I'm telling y'all, I'm doing this one time, one time, one time. Cause I know that I think this is the ink right here. All right, we're gonna do it like that. Let's try this one time. Let me see. Okay, so it's blue now. So I know they know it got paper in it. Okay, put this package over here so I can show you what it looks like. So this is what it looked like now, and it's hanging from the printer like that. So let's see. Okay. I would screen record it and show y'all how it worked, but I don't want her address to be on here. So we're gonna buy the shipping label. I hope I'm doing it right. This is funny. Okay. Print with shipping label. And I gotta go to Office Max or Home Depot or I don't know. Office Depot or something to get some printing ink for my printer. I like to print out the shipping label and the packing slip for my customers so they can know what they got from me. This is what it look like. So now I'm about to pick next. It's a 4x6. Let's see. Let's see if this come out right. Or I'm about to put print. Let's see. Let's click it. That just came right out. That is funny. Babe, I need your help. I'm recording. It just spit it out. All right, babe is about to print this out, y'all. Once it's printed out, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like on the printing label.
What exactly was the problem? No, seriously.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you on a video. It literally spit it out. It came right on the floor. Y'all see? She did it. No, I'm gonna cover that up. She did it with no effort. I'm gonna show her what it looked like when I did it myself. That is a dang shame. But you live and you learn. So I'm about to pack her order up now. She did that in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. And when I did it, it came on the ground. It went straight on my desk. What would I do without her? But anyways, I'm about to pack her order up and then I'm going to bring y'all with me to ship her stuff off because when you do it at home, all you got to do is just give it to them and then ship it out. What I used to do is I used to write on, let me see if I can show y'all. what I used to do. I used to write on one of these, they address, and I'll write my address down. And then I would have to take it, and then I'll have to wait until everybody else was done. And then pay them at the desk. And then answer all these questions, and then ship it out. But with this bad boy right here, and when you got it on your website already, all you have to do is ship out you got to print out the shipping label and take it there and walk out. And I'm going to show y'all how to do that when I take it today. So once again, thanks for shopping with me. And I hope you like your order when it get there. So yeah, we're going to keep this printer right here. Keep that on the side of my desk. That look cute right there. So now, turn y'all around. And let's pack her order together. So, she got a lot. I'm going to recheck her order again. So, when you pay for the shipping label, it sends them a tracking number automatically. Yep. Large berry set. So, I'm going to put that in here. Actually, I've been burping and stuff. Put some hand sanitizer on. And then we're gonna put her. This smells so good. Now we're about to order. That's her order. And then thank you for your support. There we go. So now I'm about to take this off. Do it like that. Then we put it on the package. And this is her package. So yeah, that was how you pack an order. I'm new to this shipping label at home thing because I usually will write it down here. I told you that already. But yeah. So whenever I pick the camera back up, I'm gonna see y'all. I'm about to get myself together. I'm gonna bring y'all with me to ship off the order, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me to Office Max. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we lit over here. Period. And we are currently, let's do sub count. We at 657. 657 subscribers. Road to 1K. And we have 3K views on our video that we just posted 6 days ago. Alright. I'm not crying, you are. Okay, so I'm gonna see y'all later.
I feel so ordinary, step make you won't brown me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy. Can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you. You know you my thug, and I can see that enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscence, every other missing you. Wishing was baby what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night, lost in no finding us.
Quick and easy.
I've been down, baby.
Y'all, so I'm back and we made it into Office Max. It's quiet in here. This is exactly what I need. I don't need no copyright music playing. in the background. Alright, so I spoke too soon. Music is playing. So we about to get the ink and some printing paper. Let's see. And if they don't have the printing paper that I'm looking for, we're gonna go to Walmart. So yeah. Let's see. Printing paper. I think this is pretty much. First, we're gonna get the ink first. The ink. Let's do the ink first. Ink, ink. I ain't never been in here before. So we probably gonna be looking for this together. Let's see what this is. This is Family Cafe. Oh, that's cute. Where would I find ink and printing paper at? Oh, okay, so file boxes, stamps, business, sticky notes, office, essentials. Okay, so I think I found the copy paper. How much is the copy paper? Let's see. Dang, I got the prices on this stuff. It just said 2%. Is the copy and paper? I mean, not copy paper, because I know it's copy paper. But is the ink and stuff in here? Look how much they say this paper is. $30. No. It's too far. It's part of that village travel. By far as being on something. They don't even have the price on this. I know this is called paper. They got 500 sheets. Because I don't want to go up there and be like, how much is this? And if it's not the price that I'm looking for, I'm gonna put it back. I'm not gonna lie. Let me call back, because I might have to go to Walmart or something. Yes, I call my bag for everything. I don't care. Hello, do they sell ink and stuff in here? Huh? Yeah, you can if you want to. But I don't see stuff. I'm gonna call you right back. So I got the ink. I started recording in there because they was playing music, and I didn't want to get copyrighted. Let me turn this on. And she's playing music in here too. Okay, so we made it to Walgreens. Hold on, let me write y'all off. We made it to Walgreens. I'm about to see if I got some paper in here. Let me see if there's some paper in here for my copy machine. Let's see. I think I found it, y'all, for $7.29. Found it. Let me grab it. Let's see. compatible with all brands. This is it right here. So let's see if we need anything else in here for my office. Y'all, soon I'm about to be doing a vision board. Y'all gonna be doing one with me. This is what it is. I think I'm gonna do a picture frame though for my vision board this year. I'm gonna use this. Alright, so we're about to get this paper. I'm about to get this paper and head out.